Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you my baby Jonah's curly hair routine. His hair is really curly, so it gets really tangled and dry. So I'll be showing you how I detangle it and how I style it. This is his hair freshly washed and styled, and this is how his hair looked before I washed it. It looks very dry and it looks like he has some white stuff on it, probably food, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do to keep it, to style it and for it to look nice, and how I detangle it as well, because I know kids tend to hate for us to detangle their hair. I know it's painful, but I'll show you how I do it very easily. So on Jonah's hair, I use all of my hair products, and right now I'm using the Shea Moisture Power Greens shampoo. I'm only using it a little bit because I don't want it to lather too much, since it's not a kid's tearless shampoo, and I add more if I need it to lather a little bit more. It's easier to rinse out if you don't have too much lather. I am looking to get him his own curly hair products, so if you have some suggestions, leave them down in the comments. I used to use Johnson & Johnson's head to toe wash and shampoo, but it used to dry his hair too much, so I started using my hair products on him. So to rinse the shampoo out of his hair, I start at the back to avoid getting it in his eyes. This is why I only use a little bit of shampoo, so it's easier for me to rinse it out. And I work my way up, so by the time I rinse the top, there's barely any more shampoo left and it won't get in his eyes. Then I'm using the conditioner from the same line, Shea Moisture Power Greens, and I'm adding a good amount to really moisturize his hair. And the more conditioner, the better it is to detangle. I also like to massage his scalp a little bit while applying the conditioner. Then to detangle, I like to use a Demon brush. I detangle his hair in sections. I find that the Demon brush works best to detangle his hair. It's fast and it's not as painful. I used to use a comb and it used to take me a very long time to detangle his hair, and I just thought it was a little bit more painful. To detangle his hair, I like to make sure that I'm grabbing really tight the section that I am detangling. That way it's not hurting him when I pull with a brush. And that is it. His hair is nicely detangled. Then I like to rinse out the conditioner, but I like to leave a little bit of conditioner on his hair. I don't rinse it out completely. Then I'm going to dry his hair a little bit to add his styling product. I actually like to do this step after I get him out of the shower, so once he's dressed, I like to add his styling product. But for the purpose of this video, I will be doing it in the shower. For styling product, I also use whatever hair styling product I'm using. So right now I'm using the Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Butter, and this works really good with his hair actually, because it's really thick. On my hair I only use a little bit, but for him it works really good actually, because his hair is so curly and so thick. And I like to brush his hair all back, but the back I like to brush it up, as you see me doing in this video. That way the curls are like kind of in the middle of the back of his head, if that makes any sense. Since his hair is so long, I don't want the curls to hang in the back of his head. That's why I brush the back up. So that is it for this video. Make sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what hair product you use for your kids so I can try it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!